Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. I'm sorry. So since this is a pancake, I thought about putting a little bit of organic maple syrup on top. So now it's all done. I put it on small, um, little tiny, little mini muffins here. So all of them, I'll put a little bit of syrup on it. So the syrup will penetrate on the mini donut, so it will taste better when they eat it. Sorry. So I'll put some also on this. So I kind of tasted a little bit, and it's not really that sweet because pancake is not that sweet, you know. Just a little bit. Anyways, this is organic, so this is good for my mom. Also, I mean, not only my mom will eat this, but the people who will be coming for Mother's Day. I mean, yeah. So that's it. Let me put more of that. Then I'll bring the syrup if in case they want more. And of course, I reserve my own stuff here for the taste. So the mini donut is very fast to cook. It's only 5 minutes or less. So that's the reason why I got it very fast to cook it. Okay, I'm gonna taste one. It's perfect. Yeah, see how tiny it is. Anyway, so it's ready. So I'll just bring this and cover it, and I'll bring the syrup also in case some people wants more of the syrup. Okay, that's it. Thank you for the likes and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.